Imagine a world where a sales presentation isn't scrolling through a clunky, awkward PowerPoint or handing over an out-of-date brochure, where no one's scrambling for a Wi-Fi password and your customer never sees a buffering wheel, where marketers have full control of the slides, videos, and supporting documents the sales team need for presentations, and updates for everyone can be done in seconds, where every sales presentation can be shared with customers instantly, and customer interest can be measured and responded to as it happens. With Showcase Workshop, you won't need expensive in-house app developers or digital specialists to make this world a reality, because marketers and their creative agencies can now turn sales material into a beautifully organized app and send it straight to the sales team's tablets, smartphones, and laptops so it can be presented exactly when it's needed. Thousands of business people throughout the world use Showcase Workshop to present with confidence and close more deals in their face-to-face sales meetings. You can be up and running in less than 48 hours, and we'll give you all the help you need to make it happen. Showcase Workshop. Show, share, and sell like never before.